Grant County in central Arkansas, eastern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Carthage, or 12 miles northwest of Fordyce, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, Rison, Whitehall, Carthage, Lamont, Toledo, Kedron, Sulphur Springs, Princeton, Farmdale, Faith, Calmer, Staves, Grapevine, IVAN, Mount Zion, Harding, Ramsey, Randall,